Hey, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to cover the basics on how to use the GoPro Hero 7 Black alongside different mounts and accessories. You get the GoPro Hero 7 with a soft shell case containing all of the materials. The bag comes standard with charging cables, a gooseneck, a clamp, a waterproof case, hand grip, another case, batteries and charger, and of course the GoPro itself. Before we do anything else, first you start by inserting a micro SD card. I would recommend using an SD card that supports 4K resolution writing speeds. Next, take a battery out of the charger and insert it into the battery compartment. There is a cover on the side of the GoPro that shields a USB port and a micro HDMI port. On the other side, you can find the mode button, which you can use to turn the camera on or off. Now, some basic functions of the camera. At the bottom of the touchscreen, you can access your settings. Here you can change the resolution. You can film up to 4K if you have an SD card that supports it. You can also change the field of view. Choosing the wide angle will create the typical fisheye lens that GoPro is known for. On the main screen, you can also see the battery percentage and how much recording time you got left. By short pressing the mode button, you can switch between video, photo, and time-lapse mode. On the side, you can also change the interval that your GoPro saves your recordings. By choosing a longer loop time, the size of your individual files increase, so take this into account. Now let's turn it off with a long press and check out the different mounting possibilities. We will start with a frame mount case housing. Open it up from the top and then open the back and slide the camera inside. Now you click the housing shut again. Make sure you have an airtight fit. Now you can mount it onto the gooseneck. By squeezing the bottom of the mount, you can slide it into the gooseneck. For the waterproof case, it is kind of similar. Just open the back up, but first you need to remove the lens cover. Do this carefully. And then slide it into the case and close it back up. And that's it. This was the basic tutorial of the GoPro Hero 7. For more information, check the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.